Assalamualaikum student. There is your teacher Sidra. Today we are going to learn about the letter B. So our topic is letter B. The objectives are make them familiar with letter B, able them to write letter B in proper way and able to pronounce letter B with phonics. So dear students, in the last video we have learned letter A. We have learned letter A with phonics and method of writing letter A. So in this video we will learn letter B. We learn about the letter B. Very good. In this video we learn letter B with phonics and writing method of letter B. So let's start our video.
Welcome kids. Today's lesson is B. 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 Capital B. Capital B. Small b. Small b. B for Baitullah. B for Baitullah. B for Baitullah. B for ball. B for ball. B for ball. B for beard. B for beard. B for beard. B for Baitullah. B for ball. B for beard. How to write letter B? Capital B. Start from the top and draw a standing line down. Go back to the top and draw a curve to the middle. Then draw a curve joining the bottom. Small b. Start from the top and draw a standing line downwards. Go to the center of the line and add a curve touching the bottom of the line. Start from the top and draw a standing line down. Go back to the top and draw a curve to the middle. Then draw a curve joining the bottom. Small b. Start from the top and draw a standing line downwards. Go to the center of the line and add a curve touching the bottom of the line. Today's lesson has come to an end and you have learned how to write and pronounce the letter B. See you in the next class. Insha'Allah.
Anchor, apple, ant. Anchor. Apple. Ant.
So students, now you have to do practice to identify the letter B and pronounce with phonics. Okay, Allah Hafiz.